Hello students, I am here to give you basic concepts in mathematics just to explain you how to avoid minute mistakes, what you do, and avoiding minute mistakes, how we can get perfect answer. We need perfect answer. And what happens when there are steps or more? In positive, negative, in decimals, we get confused, and on that time under pressure of exams and all, we go wrong. And to avoid these mistakes, what is the basic concept in decimals? In decimal fraction, again there are four basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So first I will explain you addition and subtraction. Today we will study addition and subtraction. See here on the board. First operation on decimal fraction is addition of decimal fraction. Okay. Generally when example is given, they give 2.53 plus 42.1. And what students do mistakes? See here. First I will tell you how do they do mistake. They write like this: 2.53, 42.1, and this is wrong. What is rule of decimal? In addition, when you write 2.53, first below decimal write decimal, then left 42 and here 1, and then add. Rule is clear? What you have to do? You will have to write first fraction, then below decimal, decimal, and then second fraction, that is 42.1, and simple addition, that is 6.44. One more example. Second example. 5.09 plus 72.004. 5.09. What I told you, you must remember. Below decimal, decimal point should be there. 72.004. My suggestion in addition is below decimal first write down decimal and then numbers write down, means you will not do mistake. There will be no possibility of mistake. And then here 77.094. Is this clear? This is addition. Very simple. Now I have explained you first addition. Now second operation on decimal is subtraction. Okay. Subtraction of decimal fractions. Remember, in this, for example, 42.3 minus 7.004. Listen very properly. Our rule is the same for addition and for subtraction. First you have to write first decimal, then for second below decimal, decimal point, 7 will be here, 004. What is the importance in decimal? After decimal point, this 0, you can increase zeros for this. Why we need these zeros? Because we have to subtract. And for 4, upper line there is no number and you have to write 0. Are you understanding? From 0 we cannot cut 4, so 0 becomes 10. From 10 you cut 4, 6 remain, 1 carry. From 0 we cannot cut 1, so from 10, 1 you cut, 9 remain, 1 carry. 3 minus 1, from 3, 1 we can cut. 3 minus 1 is 2 and this is your decimal point. Can we cut from 2 7? No. So 2 becomes 12. From 12 7 minus, that is 5. 1 carrier. 4 minus 1 is 3. So answer is 35.296. How to read? 35.296. This is one example. I repeat, 42.3 was given. Actually given is 42.3 and minus below decimal. This 7004. But above the 0 and 4 there is no number, so we have given this 0 over here. And then we have done subtraction. One more example. 71.43 minus 29.294. Our rule for addition and for subtraction is the same. We have tried 71.43 below decimal 29.294. Above 4 there is 0. Then subtraction normal. As you do regular subtraction, that is you have to do subtraction. From 0 we cannot cut 4, so it becomes 10. 10 minus 4 is 6, 1 carrier. From 3, 10 we cannot cut. So 13, 13 minus 10 is 3, 1 carrier. From 4 we cut 2 plus 1, 3, 1 remain. From 11, 9 you cut, 2, 7 minus 3, 4. So this subtraction how you do regularly in your ways you can follow, but just what is my aim? My aim is you need to avoid mistake in writing decimals. One more example for subtraction. Subtraction needs examples more. Okay. What is next? One more example. 5.72 minus 3.004. 5.72 as usual. Below decimal. 3004. 4 here on the top 0. I hope you people are understanding and I hope you are happy with this. From 0 you cannot cut 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. 1 returned. 2 minus 1, 1. 7 minus 0, 7. 5 minus 3, 2. This is the basic of subtraction in decimal fraction. Hello students. We are studying basic concepts in mathematics. Actually what happens? You get many videos, many information on this social media that this 6th standard, 7th standard, but you are studying it, but your basic is not perfect. Few students whose basic is perfect and they know these rules and where we go wrong. To avoid that mistake, I am giving this. In previous lecture, I have given previous 2-3 lectures. In first lecture, I have explained you how to avoid mistakes in plus minus. Then I have given you examples based on these rules. How to avoid mistakes in plus and minus. Then in third lecture, we have studied addition and subtraction of decimals. Means how we add decimals. We go wrong. How we go wrong, that also I have explained you. And this my explanations are going to help you definitely. 10th and afterwards also. So I will be happy if you will like my channel, subscribe and share. So I can give you many more updates in this basic concepts. Okay. Now we are going to study multiplication and division in next lecture.